Hello guys, welcome to a new video for me. First of all, I want to thank you for 300 subs. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for the support, guys, that I get recently. I really appreciate that. And now let's go to the video. In this video I'm gonna explain what my plans are through the hibernation again, and what we are gonna do to the car, and why there was no video this summer, or almost no video. So I'm all gonna explain in this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. So first of all, why was there no video this summer? Almost no video. So let me explain to you guys really quick. As soon as I finished the interior, my engine broke up. So yeah, I could not record any video. I wanted to go to the racetrack, slalom and drive outs, but yeah, the engine is broken, so I could not record anything for you guys. The issue right now is the rod bearing might be broken. I'm not really sure, but so yeah, that's how the car sounds currently. It sounds really bad. It's terrifying. So yeah, I never drove it again, and yeah, I'm really sad about it, but it can only get better, so we have to look forward, and it's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna guess rod bearing, but we will see. Yeah, my plans are through the hibernation, so we're gonna rebuild the engine, we're gonna rebuild the transmission, the transfer case and the rear differential. So yeah, there's a lot to do, and I'm gonna film a lot of that stuff. So yeah, there will be content about everything that I'm gonna do this time. I think that's all about what I'm gonna do through the hibernation. I'm just gonna go through my details that I'm gonna do on the engine bay. So first of all, everything that you see here that is blue is gonna be black. So every silicone hose are gonna be black. The strut bar is gonna be bronze. There's coming another strut bar. I don't know how it's called really. I cannot say it that great. And that's a 2-point strut bar, and I want a 3-point. So that's something I'm gonna change. The color is gonna be bronze. Valve cover is gonna be bronze. There's a new valve cover coming in the next few days already. Yeah, I think that's everything on the engine bay color wise. I really want it just clean, not a mess or a lot of colors, just black and bronze. That's my goal on this car, like just really clean build. And now we are gonna talk about the car a little bit, guys. I haven't talked about it since I finished the interior. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you a walk around a little bit more to the details and stuff. So we're going through the car really quick, what I did on the interior build. So yeah, we did the carbon door cards, we did manual windows, we did new steering wheel, new speedometer, CAA short shifter, new Devi gauges. We have Recaro pole position FIA edition with 6-point racing belt. Here's a 6-point underneath that, just for racetrack. We have a 6-point belt on the driver's seat. We have a 4-point belt on passenger seat. So yeah, we have on the back, we have door cards as well. We have the back seat carbon replacement. We have the back cage, like I already had it last year, but this year we have a new color, like bronze. We powder coated it. We have the cage extension to the front, also same color as the rims, powder coated bronze. We have different seat rails than I had before. I was putting on the Recaro seat adapters, but they were just too high, so Schlappy Racetech made his own ones for me. and we are now around 7 centimeters lower than before. We also added the seat console, so overall we are 7 centimeters lower than before, and that's really good seat position for me, so it's perfect. So on the back of the car we painted the interior completely. As you can see, it's kinda shiny. It's not perfectly, but is when you see it with the phone, it's really good. The job is really good done. I think that's all of it that I did on the car. We painted the whole interior. We fixed the cable management. As you can see here, we fixed the completely harness from front to the rear. It's going all through back. So I really tried my best to make the car really clean inside, and I think I have done it pretty good. I'm really happy with it. So yeah, I think that's everything that I can show you guys for a moment. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. I'm really sorry that I didn't record more this year, but I could not record because of the broken engine. So I'm really sorry for that, guys. I had a lot of plans and things that I wanted to do, but because of the broken engine there was no chance to record or anything. So yeah, but I have a lot of plans for next year and also for the engine build, so there will be a lot of videos from the engine build. So I hope you're gonna enjoy that. And once again, thanks for the support, guys, and see you guys in the next video.